Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show the word count while typing in Google Docs. So here I've already opened my paper and I'm going to show you how to activate the word count first. So at the Google Docs, click on tools and you'll find the word count, or you can also use the Ctrl plus Shift plus C to do the word count shortcut. Click on that, and here is my word count and now. And if you want to show the word count while typing, you can just click on this check icon, checkbox, to display word count while typing. Click on that and then click on OK. And then here is the current words on my paper. So for example, hi guys, how are you? So it will automatically change if you type in any words or sentence in your paper or page in Google Docs. Okay, so guys, that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.